In this video, I'll show you how to remove the background in the Canva mobile app. First, open the Canva app on your phone and load the design where your image is located. If you haven't added your image yet, tap the plus button and upload it from your gallery. Next, tap on the image to select it. Once selected, look for the Edit Image option at the bottom of the screen and tap on it. This will open Canva's editing tools. Now, find and tap the Background Remover option. Canva will automatically process the image and remove the background for you. This usually takes just a few seconds. After the background is removed, you can refine the result by tapping Adjust or using tools like Erase and Restore to clean up any areas that need fixing. Once you're happy with the result, tap Done to apply the changes. You can now place your image on any background or keep it transparent. Finally, export your design as a PNG with transparent background if you want to keep the background removed. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.